She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Cora's Life. Today I'm going to be showing you this quick and easy makeup look. This look is great for if you're on the go or to wear to a workplace. I'm going to be starting a new job very soon, so I'm going to be wearing this look pretty often. If you're interested, keep watching. Let's get started, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
She looks so fly in those Gucci slides.
To start this makeup look, I'm going to use the My Daily Dose Serum Cocktail by Skin Inc. Supplement Bar. This includes a vitamin B3 serum and a vitamin A serum mixture. The vitamin B3 helps with strengthening the skin's barrier and helps remove blemishes and enlarge pores. And the vitamin A serum helps with removing wrinkles and dark eye circles. I'm going to put a few drops and mix that in well. Next, I'm going to moisturize my skin by using the Polypeptide Cream by Drunk Elephant. This moisturizer is really good because it helps strengthen and moisturize at the same time, and it's also very lightweight, so it's great for sensitive skin. After that, I'm going to prime the eyes by using the VDL Lumilayer Primer. I'm going to take a little bit and put that around my eyelids and also under my eyes.
They don't understand, feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands, seen you from around.
Next, I'm going to use the Stila palette called Eyes Are the Window Shadow Palette. In this, I'm going to use the shade Kitten, which is the first shade, and the second shade is Thought. I'm going to take a makeup brush and take that first shade and put it all over the eyelid. This will be the base shade for this makeup look. For my everyday makeup look, I like to go with neutral shades, which also help brighten my eyes. So as you can see, I'm putting that Kitten shade all over my eyes. And then I'm gonna go back with the Thought shade, which is a slightly more brown color, and put it on the last third of my eye. Once you add that on, you're gonna blend that together. When I'm blending, I usually like to push it into the crease of my eyes too, just to create a natural transition of the eyeshadows up to the brow bone. After blending the eyeshadows, I usually go back in with the lighter shade and add a little bit more on the middle to inner 1/3 of the eye.
There must be something about features.
Once you have blended the colors to your liking, I usually go with a slightly darker brown, and in this case I'm going with the color Affection from the Stila palette, and I add that to the last third of the eye. Once I am done adding that, I blend that into the remaining eyeshadow.
Skies, and all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever.
After I'm done adding eyeshadow to the eyelid, I go in and add the lightest shade of the palette to the brow bone. So in this case, the shade is called Light from the Stila palette, and I just add this all over the brow bone to create a little bit more of a brighter eye. Once you have added that in, you want to blend it in so it transitions nicely to the eyeshadow on your eyelid. Next, I'm going to line the eyes with the Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Liner by Kayla Dio Cosmetics. I'm going to create a slightly winged eye look. I usually go for a slight winged eye look for my everyday look just because I think it makes my eyes look a lot more awake and kind of just opens them up nicer. Everyone has their own eyeliner application technique, but when I'm using a felt eyeliner, I usually create a rough outline of where I want my eyeliner to end. And once I've created that outline, as you can see in this video clip right here, I go back and just fill it in. So I fill it in as much as I can, and if there's any spaces remaining, you can always go back in with a pencil eyeliner and fill in those remaining spots.
You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Next, I'm going to add some mascara to my eye. So for this look, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. For an everyday makeup look, you don't want to be wearing fake eyelashes, especially if you're wearing it to a workplace. So since I'm going for a little bit more of a natural look, I like to use my mascara to help with lengthening and making my eyelashes look more full.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
After that, I'm gonna go back in with my Stila palette and use the shade Essence to fill in my eyebrows. I usually go with the darkest shade of an eyeshadow palette and just fill in a little bit of those missing spaces. Next, I'm gonna move on to the face. So I'm gonna start by concealing my under eye circles. In this, I'm using the Photo Ready Candid Concealer by Revlon. I usually like to use a lighter concealer and a lighter foundation to do my everyday makeup look, just because I don't like to have that feeling of makeup sticking on your face. So this concealer works really well as a drugstore alternative to having good coverage. And then I go in with my Clinique powder foundation and just put that all over my face to help hide any of the blemishes and just smooth out the tone of my skin.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand.
After that, I'm going to use the Wander Beauty in the shade After Hours to add a little bit of highlight to my cheeks. I just take a little bit of the highlighter on a makeup brush and put it on the apples of my cheeks.
Trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down.
Then I'm gonna use this Butter Lip and Cheek Balm by Botanic Beauty London in the shade Peach Blush to add a little bit of blush to my cheeks. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it on my finger and just apply it to my cheeks and just kind of pat it in. The warmth of your hands will help blend that into your skin.
She's a Mona Lisa.
Once I have blended that in with my fingers, I go back in with a makeup brush just to make sure that it's nice and smooth all over. Then once that's done, I'm going to use the Rose Water Facial Toner by Trader Joe's just to set my makeup in place. Finally, to end off my makeup look, I usually like to put some sort of a lip balm on my lips just to keep my lips moisturized throughout the day. So I found this great alternative. It's a tinted lip shimmer by Burt's Bees in the shade Plum. It has some really great pigmentation, but also keeps your lips nice and moisturized. With that, this makeup look comes to an end. I hope y'all enjoyed it. As you can see, this is a fairly neutral look and it doesn't take that long to do. It's perfect to wear at a workplace as it helps conceal and hide your blemishes, but also creates a radiant face. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.